Have you ever tried to sell something online and no one showed up on your website? It's kind of like throwing a party to find out you're the only one that attended. Yeah, let's talk about that for a second. Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm on video 2 of this 5-part series on how to launch your product or your brand online. There are some key things that you can do to make sure that people attend your business party, and I want to show you how to do it in today's video. Okay, so last week I talked about how I made over $11,000 in about 7 hours. And in this video series, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you the step-by-step process so that you can do this too. And I actually show you a lot of behind the scenes in real life over on my Instagram channel. So just head over there and you can see it's called Clan Drop, and you can see it live in action. So just as a review, the 5 parts to have the perfect launch of your product and your business is number 1, how to build the excitement. And that was in last week's video. Number 2, how to get more people to your launch party. Even if you are brand new, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. That's today's video. And then in the coming weeks, step number 3 is how to convert even higher on the day of your party. If you've got party goers there, I'm gonna show you how to maximize your sell. Number 4, how you can double your sales on the last day. And number 5, how the follow-up can lead to even bigger results the next time around. So don't forget to like, share, all that social media stuff, and let's get started because I have the top 5 tips on how you can bring more people to your party. You want them there, and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so let's back up a little bit. When I was in junior high, I was planning the most elaborate, crazy party. I had all the ribbons that matched. I coordinated the color of the punch with the party shenanigans going on, and I was so excited about this party. Well, party day came, and no one showed up. You guys, I had invested so much time, effort, and energy, but I forgot to do the most important thing, and that was to invite people. I'm watching people build their websites all the time. It's like the party, they have their logo matching, they have their colors all lined out, everything is ready to go, and then they open up their store thinking that there's gonna be this big, huge rush, but they forgot to send out the invites, just like I forgot to send out the invites at my junior high party. The only person that showed up was my little sister because she was bored of the television. You've got to send out the invites to your business launch party. Now, I'm not telling or saying that you need to invite your friends and family to your online store. Let's back that up a little bit. You guys, this online world is so big that you don't have to invite your friends and family. Because how many times have we invited them and made them feel obligated to buy all of our crap? You don't have to invite them. When I first started my e-commerce store, most of my family didn't even know that I was doing this until about 6 months down the road when they found out from their friend that there was this really cool shop, and they were telling me how cool the shop was, and it wasn't until the end of the story that I got to tell her, oh, that's actually my store. The online is so big and it's got so many people on that you can do this without that underlying have to invite your friends and family to it. All right, let's dive in on the 5 things that are gonna help more people know about your party, even if you're a newbie. Because guess what? I started as a newbie, so I know how to do this. Okay, one of the biggest secrets is you work together. Remember in kindergarten when we were taught that we're supposed to play together and work together and then we become better people? Well, that same concept works in the business land. So let's say that you just started your shop, right? And you're selling these cute earrings, right? And then you've got a friend who has started maybe a month into it and she is selling these cute shirts or whatever it is. Work together, do a giveaway together, promote each other. And you know what? You might get 1 follower from her, but guess what? That's 1 more follower than you had yesterday. And that's what I did. When I went out with my very first business, we had 0 followers. And we started working with other companies, putting giveaways together. And so they let us be in these giveaways even though our numbers were really small, because we were willing to do the work to put the giveaways together, to drive traffic, right? And so we started to grow. So we got our first 1 follower, and then 10, and then 100, and 2 million followers later. This process works. So reach out to people that complement your brand, shop owners, small influencers. You don't need big, huge numbers, right? You can start small. I totally give you permission to start small. Like, that's the best place to start. The second thing, small influencers, a lot of them are willing to do a trade for a shout out. Now, if you're like, what are you even saying, Allison? So let's say I'm selling these t-shirts because I can, right? And I'm trying to get these into customers' hands. So I'm gonna go through my Instagram, the Instagram that's on my phone right here, and find influencers that have maybe just started. Now, if you're like, wait, what's an influencer? It's anybody that has a following. So you can be an influencer. You can find influencers that maybe only have 1,000 followers or 2,000 followers. Don't think you have to go after the 1 million follower account. Some of my biggest promotions that have netted me the most money, they only had 50,000 followers. I've tried some with over 100. They don't do near as well as the ones with 50. Big numbers are not the key anymore. It's the connection that you are building, the relationships that you are building. So go through your feed, see who you're following, who might like to sell your products, and then ask if you can do a trade. Send them a t-shirt and say, hey, if I send you a t-shirt, will you do a shout out for me? A lot of times they'll say yes, because they want to get the experience of working with brands so they can grow too. Number 3, host a giveaway. Now, the app that I use is called Gleam, Gleam.io. That is the app that helps keep everything organized and pretty for people to enter into drawings. Okay, now, I used to do giveaways and drawings where it would be like $100 gift card to Amazon, or win this free iPad, or win a camera. Like really cool prizes, but people just got it, entered in to win the crap, and then they unfollowed me. Give your products away. Let people love and buy and get indoctrinated into your product. Give your products away. It doesn't need to be anything crazy, fancy, expensive. Give what you have away. And you guys, it can just be a free pair of earrings. Like, look how cute these are. I know, the cutest earrings ever, right? I'll put the link down for the gal that I got them from. Oh, and did you just notice what I did? I just gave her a shout out. She didn't pay me. She just sent me these, and I fell in love with them, and I'm naturally talking about them. Get your products into people's hands that talk about them. Number 4, if you have an email list, you're going to send your email list a little back information about what's going on. Hey, this is coming, this is coming, this is coming. And I talk a lot about that in video 1, so make sure that you check it. If you're like, but Allison, I don't have an email list, go back to what I just said on step number 2, step number 3, and I'll tell you about step number 5 in a minute. There's no excuses. You need to start building your email list. Number 5, okay, this dives down deep a little bit more into collecting those emails. Give something away for free in exchange for their email. Now, if you're like, but wait, I'm gonna lose so much money if I give t-shirts away. I'm not talking about like actual physical or shippable products that are gonna cost a lot of money. I'm talking about like a free PDF, a free printable. Over on one of my businesses called How Does She, when we started 10 years ago, we had some guy tell us, you need to grow your email list. And I'm like, what? Why? Why can't we just email them from our Gmail account? That was one of the best pieces of advice I'd ever gotten. And I have used that as the base of every business that I start is my email list. And some of the freebies that I have given away, or I've heard other people give away, one was from a gal. She sold kids stuff, a whole bunch of kids clothing and accessories. And what she did is she put a free PDF together of a treasure hunt. So she said, give me your email and I will give you 5 minutes. of peace. While your kids go out and do this treasure hunt, the moms flocked to it, right? Who doesn't, as a mom, want 5 minutes to just do whatever we do as moms, right? Just for 5 minutes while their kids are out there in this awesome treasure hunt trying to find cool things on the outside. She grew her list really fast. Another thing that I've done, my team and I have done with How Does She, is we gave holiday printables. Oh, this cute holiday banner, Thanksgiving and Halloween printable, and we've grown our email list from that. So have something that complements your business to help you start getting those emails in. I've heard of jewelry makers or jewelry sellers do organic ways to make your jewelry sparkle again. Or is your jewelry looking a little bit dingy? Here's some natural things, natural cleaners that you can find at your house to clean your jewelry. Things like that to get your brain going and to get the customers to give you their email address. Okay, so those were the 5 things to do in step number 2. So remember, last week was how to build the excitement. This week is how to get more people to the party. Next week is how to convert, get higher order cart values when the people show up to your party. You can do this. I know you can because I have done it over and over. This is the same process I use and the same process I teach. This is the one that my girls used when they were 10 and 13 and built their first online e-commerce business and ended up selling over $100,000. They were in junior high and elementary and they made this happen. This process works, you guys. Get in, kick the fear out of your head, because I'm sure right now a whole bunch of doubt is coming in your head. Now, to help clarify this and make it more simple for you, I have just for you a free PDF down below where I took notes for you. Like, you're welcome. I want you to be able to get this and go for it, and so I'm trying to make it as clear as possible for you. So all you have to do is click the link below and it will send you to a Facebook Messenger where you can print it, download it, have it as your screensaver, get a tattoo on it. I'm just kidding. Whatever you do so that you can make this your reality. All right, watch for next week's video. It's gonna be good. Bye.